We heart. Hello friends, welcome to Kids Time. Today we are going to make a heart with Magformers. Here are some stuff. Let's get started. So first, get the square, put 4 on it, turn it around, get the triangle, get the triangle, and same way, another one, get wait. Now, get the triangles again, and then, yay, here's the heart. Now, put these squares on to make the heart. First put these 4, then put these 4. Then get 2 more red to make the heart. Now, get the blue color. Then, do this. Then, you will get this color. It's red. Yay! Now we did. Put this one on. The squares again, back, and then put the triangle again on it. So, triangle, 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 triangle. Yay, our heart is ready, but we need to wait. So it's not ready properly. We heart. Turn it around. Show it this. Yay, this is a heart. Do you want to make one? Do you want to give it to your mom? Do you want to give it to your dad? Do you want to give it to your sister? Do you want to give it to your baby sister? Do you want to give it to your brother? Do you want to give it to your baby brother? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.